Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so we are going to be we just got back from church, need to make something quick, guys. So we decided my son's been in the mood for this chili over rice type of thing. So I'm just gonna go ahead, chop up some onions, and jump right into it, guys. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And this is a channel where we do a lot of home life. So not only am I cleaning and decluttering and organizing and shopping and hauls, but we do some cooking here too. And it's called Quick and Easy Meals, the collaboration for today. It is an open invitation collaboration. I cannot wait to have you join. Okay, guys, so now hosting with me with Quick and Easy Meals is Deborah Cabasa Home Living, myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle, and then we have Jean Home Decor and More, and I cannot wait to see what they created for you today. This came out delicious. Now remember that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Okay, so let's take a look to see what I'm doing over here. All right, so I chopped up an onion, put that in the pan. I wanted to just a portion of this part of the chopped meat. This is 80-20, whichever one you like to use. Now, I normally use a house spice, and that is usually salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. But I decided to add some crushed red pepper and Italian seasoning along with that. And I did not need to add any kind of oil to the pan. So we're going to flash fry this together. Then we're going to add some chicken stock. And I decided, because I did not have the crushed tomatoes in the can, just to use a regular store brand sauce. And that's what we're going to do here. Now, once I finish adding the additional seasoning, now guys, remember, use the seasonings that you guys like and bring it up to the taste and the flavor of the salt and the pepper that you guys like. At this time around, I did add some crushed red pepper, as I said, and I don't use very much of it. And my son is the only one that adds more to his own plate. Now, I had some leftover white rice on the side, so all we're doing is steaming that, and we're going to go ahead and let this cook, so I'll be in and out of the video. Okay, guys, so my son is like right there waiting for me to serve him. So you're gonna get a chance. I asked him if he would taste it on camera. This came out absolutely delicious. Some people, I'm having mine with the chili and the cheese and some tortilla chips. He's having his with the rice. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Now let's take a look to see my son's face as he's tasting this. Let's head on over to the review. Now look at that face. He absolutely enjoys chili. So the end result was pretty awesome. So I hope that you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one.